Hello everyone, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make music videos for free using Suno plus Noisee AI. So step 1 is to sign into your account on Suno AI, then click on create, choose a custom mode to enter your own lyrics and prompts, or to use explore mode for AI generated songs. Now, step 3 to input your detail, so your song style, for example, lo-fi chill, hip hop, or pop rock. So for the lyrics, you enter your own or let Suno generate them. For your title and description, optional but helps in organizing. Step 4 would be to generate the song. So click on create and then wait a few minutes for it to render. So once it's ready, you can download the MP3 or WAV file from the My Song section. So step 2, generate music video using AI. So go to Noisee AI, sign up or log in, start a new project, and then click create video or similar prompt. So upload your song, which you just downloaded, upload the MP3 and WAV file you downloaded from Suno, then customize your video style. You can choose the visuals you like. You can choose AI generated animated scenes, music visualizers, and mood-based backgrounds like city night, nature, and retro. Now, step 5 will be to adjust the sync and flow. Noisee will auto-sync visuals to the beat. You can tweak transitions, cuts, and effects. Then step 6 will be generate and export. Once you're happy with the preview, click export, then download your final HD version. And then the final touches, optional but recommended. Use CapCut or DaVinci Resolve for free, both of them, for extra edits. And then add your name or logo or lyrics as subtitles. Then step 3 would be to upload and share. Share on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram, or on any platform that you like. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.